Something that I'm really enjoying in Audition is creating keyboard shortcuts. And I may have gone a little crazy and now I need to delete one. So how do you delete a keyboard shortcut in Audition? Well, you're going to go up in your multi-track session to Edit and go down to Keyboard Shortcuts, or just push Alt-K on your keyboard. Hit that, and then you'll see all of your different shortcuts in purple here with the name of what the action is that it will perform written out. So what I want to delete is Ripple Delete, this one here, Ripple Delete Gap. So in order to get rid of it, what I need to do is go to this search icon and search the name. Ripple Delete Gap is good enough. I can see it here, and I can see the shortcut written out right under the shortcut label, and it's F, just like it appears on this keyboard. So if I just exit out, it's gone from the keyboard, and now that is free without a shortcut. So now that key is empty, and that is no longer a shortcut, and I can move forward and reassign the F key to something else, or give my Ripple Delete Gap another key as a shortcut. So it's that simple. You can search for any of these. You can change the shortcut itself. You can delete parts of the shortcut, and it's really just great. I like it a lot. So I hope this helped you guys. If it did, give me a like. Check out my playlist in Audition for more, and I appreciate you watching.
If you want to support me and see what I've been working on, check out my Explainer video channel.